Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to disable Talkback mode on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, Talkback mode can be disruptive for some smartphone users as the continuous spoken feedback may interfere with their navigation and interaction experience. So how to fix that? Let's go to the tutorial. Alright, the first step you need to do to exit Talkback mode is please swipe your device screen using 2 fingers. So here, enter your screen lock code. Okay, after that, tap on the settings option and double tap to open it. So here you can scroll the screen using 2 fingers like this. Okay, so you can tap on accessibility and double tap to open it. Okay, next, here you can tap on the Talkback option and then double tap to open it. After that, switch off the Talkback mode like this. Okay, so click turn off and double click. Okay, so now the Talkback mode on your device is successfully switched off. Well, that's the tutorial on how to disable Talkback mode on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.